Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trade Analysis with a market recap for today, 18th of October, Tuesday. So we were mentioning in the market update that we were dealing with this big level dotted blue line 11,253 last week high. So after the initial sell-off this morning and bouncing off yesterday's pivot high and settlement prior close, we basically closed the gap. We were mentioning in the update that Nasdaq was closing the gap in regular trading hours. So as you can see here, if we change to the regular trading hours, we basically close this big gap that we were taking this morning. So gap close, bounce of that, and then it started the nice action. Nice action because there was no economic data today, no news release. So we basically bounce of that. We put a nice big red candle in the lunch hour. We were holding this EMA, and then after two rejections of this last week high, we are basically rejecting and also taking this resistance area. So this is good as the pivot in here, okay, previous support is now resistance, and also this big level of, we have one here and another one here. So let's talk first about the most important one, that is the last week high, 11,253. So after this quick sell-off again, rejecting this big important level, so then we basically bounce again off the lows. Low of day was not taken out, only a little bit. This is one of the things that we have to take into account. Support area, sometimes we don't have to focus on what's happening, but in what's not happening. We didn't break low. We were holding this low, and in the ES, we were stronger. We were not closing low of day. We were not taking it. This is quite important to know and to notice, because this shows strength. Again, after this consolidation, the EMA and the 200 again breaking down. Consolidation, market structure, these are big structures that we need to hold, and we need to take into account. This pivot is quite important. This pivot, the same as this one. These two pivots, this consolidation, both market structures to the upside. So same movement, same bounce of support, low of day, same push, breaking pivot, consolidation, and then power hour. We were saying in the market update that we were waiting for power hour to push Nasdaq higher. Apple was quite good, big reversal, and showing signs of strength, more strength than the Nasdaq. Microsoft, even stronger. Tesla finishing the day almost flat, but after hours, a lot of people are focusing on tomorrow's after market close earnings. But basically, we were quite good. two big bounces of the lows with big market structure to the upside, rejecting of this last week high and finally breaking it. And we are right now almost not flat, but almost, let me check price range from high of day. We are .84, so less than 1% of the low of the highs. Again, we are seeing this big level acting as resistance, but look at this channel is still in place, still acting as a channel to the upside, and this is what we need to focus on. Nasdaq is still strong, even though we have this double bottom and this push higher. Nasdaq is showing signs of strength, and this is good. This is the big takeaway of today. So let's clean the chart and let's go to the daily to see the actual market structure. So in the market recap, we have this candle as a topping tail. That was bad. Right now we are pushing, we are breaking it. We are breaking it to the upside. And let's check the 30-minute. This support still applies. In the daily, we are breaking up. ES is also breaking up, looking for this 3,800, 2,800. What happened to crude oil? Well, crude oil basically follow our expectations. We are closing below 85. A big push up, big bounce of 82, but I still think we are going to the downside. We are rejecting this market structure change, and natural gas is also kind of not holding 6. So we are expecting again continuation to the downside until this pivot in 550. Energy overall quite bad. Sorry, this is actually quite, well, equilibrium. Utilities are finishing flat on the day. Worse than expected performance, but we need time for this to gap up and to break to see 69. Discretionary versus staples. Even though we have a very big red candle, we are 1% in the red, in the green. Dollar is also good. This is exactly as we were mentioning in the forecast. These topping tails, this market structure, I think we are still looking for weakness. We need weak dollar for earnings. High yield corporate dates, corporate bonds, quite good actually. We were holding this 72.90 in the 1 hour when it's daily level. So let's take a look to the daily. It's this pivot and the EMA. We have one big level here. Previous support is now resistance. At 73.61, we need these bonds to go up this daily level and this EMA. Inverted yield, bouncing, continuing to the upside. I still need to see candles above this EMA and also above this big pivot. Yields, 10-year flat, equilibrium, 2-year almost flat, and the rest, no big change. Well, actually, we pulled back a little bit for the September 2023 one. We basically put 0.11% of the top. And that's all for today. It was a big moves today. At least we were having some action. And this is always good. We need market movement. We were too bearish, big volume down here supporting this big market structure. In the 30-minute, for sure we can see this double bottom and a lot of volume up down here, big wicks. So settlement, close, yesterday's high are holding, and this is quite good because it reinforces the message, the price action, the auction to the upside. So tomorrow, I still think we can see continuation to the upside. After today's not pullback, but I think we can see 11,600. But we will see. We have to be patient. We need these markets to consolidate and to create a structure to the upside. We have a lot of resistance in the 2-hour. We have this level, we have this level, we have this level until 12,000. So there's a lot, there's a lot of, we are ways to go, but we have to be patient. As always, thank you for your time. If you have any questions, you can comment down below and I will try to respond to all of you. If you found this video useful, please remember to click the like button and subscribe to receive notifications when I upload new videos. Remember that I upload new videos every single day, 3 times a day, for market forecast, market updates, and market recap. I appreciate your time. I hope you had an amazing trading days, plenty of opportunities. I had one good so let me check. I have one good short in this initial first move to the downside, then one good decent long, then I waited for last week high. I didn't take the short, but in the power hour I was already on profit, so I missed this opportunity to the upside. But for sure, plenty of opportunities for both sides. That's the beauty of this market. We have opportunities everywhere. We just have to be patient and be disciplined and have risk management. Day trading is about discipline and risk management. I hope you had an amazing trading day and see you tomorrow with the market forecast. Stay safe, everyone. See you tomorrow.